You've just wrapped up a shoot, maybe it's a client's wedding, drone footage from a paid project, or your family vacation memories. You pull out your SD card, you insert it into your computer, and suddenly a message pops up. This card needs to be formatted before use, or something even worse, you open up the folder and everything's gone. There's no photos, no videos, nothing. That sinking feeling? It's instant panic, and our mind starts racing. Were the files deleted, or did the card get corrupted? Is everything permanently lost now? Take a breath. In most cases, deleted or even formatted SD cards are not actually erased right away. The data remains on the card until new data overwrites it. And that small window is exactly what makes recovery possible. But here's the most important thing you need to do right now. Stop using the SD card immediately. Don't record any new footage, don't copy new files. The more you use it, the higher the risk of overwriting your data. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted or corrupted files from an SD card using Recoverit, and I'll show you how to fix corrupted video files at the end. And if you find it helpful, make sure you subscribe for more recovery tutorials like this. Before we jump into recovery, it's important to understand why SD card data gets lost in the first place. In most cases, the files disappear due to accidental deletion, formatting of the card, improper ejection, power failure during recording, virus attacks, or file system corruption. Using the same SD card across multiple devices can also create compatibility issues that lead to errors. And of course, physical damage can make things worse. But here's the most important thing to remember. Deleted does not mean permanently erased. Even formatting doesn't instantly wipe your data. The files usually remain on the card until new data overwrites it. And that's exactly where professional recovery software like Recoverit comes in. Now, let's move on to the most important part, actually recovering your deleted or corrupted files. The good news is that the recovery process is near enough identical on both Windows and Mac. As long as your SD card is detectable by your computer, you have a strong chance of getting your data back using Recoverit. Before doing anything, make sure the device that was using the SD card, whether it's a camera, drone or smartphone, is completely powered off. Once it's off, carefully remove the SD card, insert it into a card reader, connect that card reader to your laptop or desktop computer. If your computer has a built-in SD card reader, then you can insert it directly into there. After connecting, wait a few seconds for the system to detect the card. Even if it says the card needs to be formatted, do not format it. Just close the prompt and let's continue. Now, open Recoverit on your computer. On the main interface, you'll see a list of all available storage devices currently connected to your system. This includes your internal drives, external drives, USB drives, and your SD card. Locate the SD card from the list. It may appear under external devices or removable drives, depending on your system. Once you find it, simply click on the SD card to select it. Once the card is selected, click the scan button to begin the recovery process. Recoverit will immediately start scanning the card for deleted, formatted and lost files. Initially, it performs a quick scan to locate any recently deleted files, then it goes into a deeper scan mode to search for files buried deeper within storage sectors. You'll notice files beginning to populate in real time on the screen. Now, depending on the size of the SD card, the amount of data on it, the scan may take a few minutes. It's best to let it complete fully for maximum recovery results. Once the scan is finished, you can begin reviewing the files that Recoverit has found. Click on any photo to preview it directly inside the software. The same goes for videos. You can play them within the preview window to check whether they're intact and playable. To make things easier, you can filter results by file type, file size, or date modified. This is especially helpful if you're looking for specific items like raw images, MP4 videos, or recently deleted files. Take your time here. Previewing it ensures that the recovery files are what you actually need. After identifying what you want to restore, simply check the boxes next to them. You can select as many files as you like. Then click the Recover button. Now here's the important step. When choosing a safe location, select a folder on your computer's internal drive or an external hard drive, not the same SD card. Saving back to the SD card can overwrite other recoverable data and reduce your chances of a full recovery. Once you select a destination folder, click Save and Recoverit will export your restored files to that location. And that's it. This process works whether your files were accidentally deleted, whether the SD card was formatted, or the card has just become unreadable. Now, there's one more situation you might run into. Sometimes after recovering your files, you may notice a video won't play properly. It might show a black screen, might freeze midway through, have no audio, or display an error message. In other cases, recovered photos may appear slightly corrupted, blurry, or partially damaged. This usually happens because the recording was interrupted. Maybe the camera was shut down suddenly, the battery died, or the file structure was damaged before recovery. When this happens, the file is restored, but it isn't perfectly structured for smooth playback. This is where AI-powered photo and video repair tools can help. There are dedicated AI enhancement and repair tools available online and as desktop software that allow you to upload a corrupted video or image to perform some repairs. For photos, AI tools can also improve sharpness, enhance resolution, reduce noise, and fix minor corruption artifacts. However, it's important to set a realistic expectation. AI repair tools can fix structural corruption and playback issues in formats like MP4, MOV, and JPEG, and more, but they can't recover data that has been completely overwritten or physically destroyed. View AI enhancement as a final polish, turning a recoverable file into something usable and deliverable. While recovery is powerful, prevention is always smarter. To reduce the risk of losing your files again, follow a few simple best practices. Always safely eject your SD card before removing it from a computer. Avoid using the same card across different devices as it can cause file system conflicts. Format your SD card inside the camera or your device that you're using, not on your computer. Also, never remove the card whilst recording. Invest in high-quality SD cards and, more importantly, back up your data after every shoot using a simple 3-2-1 backup strategy. Losing files from an SD card can feel overwhelming, but as you've seen, it's often completely recoverable. Today we've learned how to recover files from an SD card and how you can enhance your files using AI. If this guide has helped you, let us know in the comments what device you were using when your files got lost. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more recovery tutorials, and there is a link to Recoverit in the description below.